Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good night.
Good night.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
Please help me.
Please help me.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is John.
My name is John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
I am 10 years old.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
I am from Australia.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
I live in New York.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
It is 5 o'clock.
What day is today?
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
I am happy.
I am happy.
She is sad.
She is sad.
He is angry.
He is angry.
They are excited.
They are excited.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
She is thirsty.
She is thirsty.
I am tired.
I am tired.
He is strong.
He is strong.
The baby is crying.
The baby is crying.
The bird is flying.
The bird is flying.
I am going home.
I am going home.
He is at work.
He is at work.
I have a pen.
I have a pen.
He has a bike.
He has a bike.
I like apples.
I like apples.
He likes oranges.
He likes oranges.
This is my bag.
This is my bag.
These are my shoes.
These are my shoes.
The door is open.
The door is open.
The light is on.
The light is on.
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
He can swim well.
He can swim well.
I need water.
I need water.
Can I have some bread?
Can I have some bread?
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
Please open the window.
Please open the window.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can you pass the salt?
Can you pass the salt?
Please turn off the lights.
Please turn off the lights.
Please turn down the music.
Please turn down the music.
Can you fix this?
Can you fix this?
Can you drive me home?
Can you drive me home?
The cat is sleeping.
The cat is sleeping.
I am studying now.
I am studying now.
He is watching TV.
He is watching TV.
She is baking cookies.
She is baking cookies.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
He is making breakfast.
He is making breakfast.
The kids are playing.
The kids are playing.
I am reading a novel.
I am reading a novel.
She is on the phone.
She is on the phone.
I am writing an email.
I am writing an email.
It is cold outside.
It is cold outside.
It is raining today.
It is raining today.
It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed.
The movie starts at 8.
The movie starts at 8.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I am feeling hungry.
I am feeling hungry.
I'll eat one more.
I'll eat one more.
I am feeling better.
I am feeling better.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
I am leaving now.
I am leaving now.
The bus is late.
The bus is late.
He is going to the store.
He is going to the store.
She is driving now.
She is driving now.
I am going home.
I am going home.
He is walking the dog.
He is walking the dog.
They are busy at park.
They are busy at park.
The door is stuck.
The door is stuck.
Please wash the dishes.
Please wash the dishes.
I am cleaning the house.
I am cleaning the house.
The TV is too loud.
The TV is too loud.
The internet is slow.
The internet is slow.
I forgot to lock the door.
I forgot to lock the door.
The car is on the road.
The car is on the road.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
We are out of sugar.
We are out of sugar.
The store is closed.
The store is closed.
I am working from home.
I am working from home.
She is studying hard.
She is studying hard.
She has a new job.
She has a new job.
We need to talk.
We need to talk.
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
Can you come here?
Can you come here?
Please send me the link.
Please send me the link.
He forgot to call her.
He forgot to call her.
I am reading.
I am reading.
She is playing.
She is playing.
They are running.
They are running.
She reads.
She reads.
It is raining.
It is raining.
I am cooking.
I am cooking.
She is singing.
She is singing.
The dog is barking.
The dog is barking.
I am walking.
I am walking.
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
She likes tea.
She likes tea.
They like juice.
They like juice.
She likes music.
She likes music.
I need water.
I need water.
The food is hot.
The food is hot.
The milk is cold.
The milk is cold.
It's hot outside.
It's hot outside.
The ice cream is sweet.
The ice cream is sweet.
The soup is salty.
The soup is salty.
The cake is tasty.
The cake is tasty.
This book is good.
This book is good.
That movie is boring.
That movie is boring.
The sun is bright.
The sun is bright.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The grass is green.
The grass is green.
The flowers are beautiful.
The flowers are beautiful.
The stars are shining.
The stars are shining.
The moon is big.
The moon is big.
The road is empty.
The road is empty.
The bus is full.
The bus is full.
The train is late.
The train is late.
I need a break.
I need a break.
The cat is sleeping.
The cat is sleeping.
The dog is running.
The dog is running.
The fish is swimming.
The fish is swimming.
The tortoise walks slow.
The tortoise walks slow.
The octopus is jumping.
The octopus is jumping.
The duck is floating.
The duck is floating.
She is at school.
She is at school.
We are at the park.
We are at the park.
She has a book.
She has a book.
They have a car.
They have a car.
He likes bananas.
He likes bananas.
They like grapes.
They like grapes.
That is your chair.
That is your chair.
Those are her socks.
Those are her socks.
The window is closed.
The window is closed.
The fan is off.
The fan is off.
She can jump high.
She can jump high.
They can sing nicely.
They can sing nicely.